interestingly, sports is becoming a career nowadays in India. Previously, sports was a very small proportion of sports people were taking up as a career. Now, a lot of them are actually thinking of sports as a career. Not just cricket. Now, the other sports are also picking up. Okay, I think cricket is always leading thanks to IPL. So the common people are also thinking it as a career. The problem with sports at the moment is a lot of people are taking up sports, but they're having to stop the sports because they're developing an injury. The trick to any sports to get professional is to stay injury free for a long time. The moment you have an injury, you need to take help. That is where India is lacking at the moment. Taking adequate precautions is what India has been lacking. Now, traditionally in India, sports injuries were treated at professional level outside India. For example, they travel to UK, they travel to Australia, South Africa, everywhere. Now, I worked in UK for about 12 years, and presently now I am the team doctor for the Indian Davis Cup team. I'm also the team doctor for the Elite Football League of India. I did see a lot of BCCI players who have come to UK getting treated, including, I don't want to name anybody, including most of the prominent players. Now the present situation is that they don't have to travel to outside India. Most of the treatments are available within India. A lot of sports surgeons have moved back after training from US, Australia, UK to India, and they're practicing in majority of the metropolitan cities in India. So the trend is changing. Treatment can be availed by common people. It doesn't have to be affordable people to avail these facilities of sports injuries. The majority of the injuries we see are patients from districts, small towns. And as you rightly said, the doctors, including the orthopedic doctors and the specialists, are not trained enough to detect the sports injuries and to treat them. So there's a lot of hesitation to actually refer the patients to the major cities. No, the awareness is not there. And even ligament tears, common ligament tears, are not being treated by the orthopedic surgeons in smaller districts because of their training deficiencies. When they were being trained in their training, there was nobody to train them to treat the sports injuries. So there's a lot of deficiency. In India, there is still no institute which trains doctors for sports injuries. Training the doctors is step one. Second, the patients are able to avail the facilities. Okay, I think it is at least 5 to 10 years down the line before India has its own training scheme which can train the junior doctors for sports injuries. Presently, most of the sports surgeons, if you see in India, are all people who are trained abroad and who have moved back to India, or the young surgeons now who are doing their training under the consultants. They are picking it up, but there is no proper scheme to train the doctors. The biggest challenge we have is we are racing against time with these sports people. The peak of their career in their sport is 3 to 4 years. So they got to maximize those 3 to 4 years. We cannot waste any time in these patients. So the moment we see them, we have to diagnose it as quickly as possible, treat it as quickly as possible, and make sure they go back to sports. So time is the major limiting factor for us. We cannot tell them you rest for 3 months and we'll see what happens in 3 months. That's not what happens in professional sports. Somebody who plays football, if you tell them 3 months, it's a big time in 3 years. So it's almost 10% of their career which is gone. So time is a major limiting factor and a challenge for us. Yeah. And diagnosis is the most important. So we don't waste any time in the diagnosis. Get the diagnosis first, then get the treatment. We have various modalities now in sports injuries, not just surgeries. Various other modalities which are helping the ligament injuries heal very quickly in sports people. Technology one. The second thing which is massively helping surgeons is the rehabilitation facilities. The physiotherapists are being trained better. The rehabilitation facilities are improving. That plays a major role in any sports person's progress or recovery. So that's improving massively. Thanks to again IPL, a lot of these IPL physiotherapists and rehabilitation are training our Indian rehabilitation doctors as well. So it's improving massively.